In the heart of Mesoamerica, where the sun blazes over ancient temples, two great civilizations stand on the brink of conflict: the mighty Aztecs and the enigmatic Mayans. As the sun rises, casting shadows over the stone pyramids, whispers of a throne that could unite or destroy echo through the valleys. At the center of this impending clash is Moctezuma, the revered Aztec emperor, and his counterpart, the wise Mayan chieftain, Itzamna. A prophecy foretells that the one who claims the sacred throne will wield immense power over the land, their destinies intertwined by ambition and fate. As tensions rise, secret alliances form in the shadows. Betrayal lurks as the powerful Tlatoani of the Aztecs seeks to crush the Mayans and expand his empire. The stakes are perilously high. It is not just a battle for land, but for the very soul of their cultures. In a fateful twist, the battle erupts under a blood-red sky, where ancient rituals intertwine with the chaos of war. As arrows fly and drums beat, the realization dawns: unity may be the only path to survival. The grand temples witness the fall and rise of empires in a single day. In the end, both civilizations learn a profound truth: power can be both a gift and a curse. The throne remains contested, but the echoes of their shared histories resonate through time, reminding us that from conflict can arise a deeper understanding of unity.